Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's Ameen here with Muslim CEO, and in this video I want to make a video about the coronavirus to show you how to make a video about the coronavirus. Okay, so the point is here is to use trends to make interesting and engaging and timely content. Okay, so right now a big trend, everyone's talking about it, whether it's in the mainstream media, between people, through WhatsApp, on social media, people are talking about coronavirus. So it's an example of a topic that is trending and you want to ride that wave. And whatever industry you're in, you will want to take an angle on the coronavirus. So for example, we did a post about how the alcoholic beverage brand called Corona is suffering from its sales because of the coronavirus. People somehow are thinking that it's linked. Okay, so we did a post about that. That's our angle, because we talk about business, and therefore we made a post about a business suffering because of the name and the consequence of the name that they have, right? But what about you? What could you do? How could you ride the wave? And obviously coronavirus is just one example, but if the World Cup is going on, you're going to want to make some World Cup related content, right? And it always has to, though, be relevant to your industry. So let's think of some examples here. If you're in the education space, yeah, then you want to talk about how education of how to deal with the coronavirus, how to avoid spreading germs, etc., how it's been effective or ineffective, right? You know, these are kind of examples of what you're going to want to do. Let's think of another example. If you're in the charity sector, then you could just do a little twist where you could say, oh, everyone's talking about coronavirus, everyone's going crazy about coronavirus, but did you know that these children in this country, they are suffering regularly from cholera, which is completely avoidable if only you would donate X amount of money, right? So these are just some examples. Always take the trending topic and then put your unique twist on it. And this is how you're gonna enter the conversation that people are having by talking about a trending topic. And of course you can take this too far where it becomes distasteful, where it comes kind of like some of those YouTube clickbait kind of videos. You don't want to go that far. You want to be tasteful about it, but it's just once a week, once every 2 weeks, you might want to do a post. Depends how much content you put out, but you might want to do a post about some kind of trending topic. Okay, and obviously the biggest thing you need in order to know what trending topics to focus and to pick is to know your avatar, know your customer. Who are they? Know exactly about them, and then find out what is trending, especially in their world. What are they talking about? It's not always going to be mainstream topics that are important to have your own angle on. And so if you know your customer, you know them very well, you'll know what is trending in their world, and you should make content about that. So I hope this was useful. This is Ameen from Muslim CEO. Please go to muslimceo.com, check out our free training. It's really, really useful, and then we can see maybe if we can work together. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.